Hi everyone. My name is Stephanie Lenane, and I'm going to share a little bit about why I decided to start my master's with Widener. Um, so this is something I've been wanting to do honestly since I graduated college a couple of years ago, but I didn't know what that would look like or exactly what program I wanted to get involved in. But I honestly knew that I wanted to work with girls who had been sexually exploited, so I went and did that for a couple of years and learned that this really is what I want to do, learned that there really are a lot of systems that I want to change and continue to get involved in. And so that's really what prompted me to start my master's. And so really my goal is to continue learning, to continue my education and learn about things that I don't know about and increase my knowledge so that I can share that with other people and continue to gain more tools in my tool belt to be able to use with clients and practically in my own life. And in addition to that, I want to just really increase the breadth of the people that I can reach by having that higher degree. And so it just gives you more opportunity and more ability to continue to reach people and do the things that I want to do. And so I want to continue my ability to become a leader in different areas of my life and in this field. And so that is why I decided to start my master's.